In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable vacation mode in Todoist. Vacation mode is perfect for those times when you want to step away, relax, and not worry about your productivity stats or missed streaks. By turning it on, you can pause those tracking features so you don't feel pressured to check off tasks while you're on a break. First, open Todoist in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will open a new settings window or panel where you can customize different parts of your Todoist experience, such as your account details, notifications, and preferences. Within the settings area, you'll see several sections or tabs along the side or top. Find the one called Productivity. This section is where Todoist keeps all the options related to your productivity tracking, including streaks and karma. Go ahead and click on Productivity to open that page. On the Productivity page, take a moment to scroll through and locate the Vacation Mode option. It should appear as a toggle or switch. When Vacation Mode is off, your activity continues to be tracked as usual. To enable it, simply click or tap the toggle so that it turns on. Once it's on, Vacation Mode will pause your productivity tracking, protecting your streaks while you're away. After turning the toggle on, look for a button labeled Update or Save near the bottom or top of the page. It's important not to skip this step. Click on Update to confirm and apply your changes. If you don't click this button, the toggle might look enabled temporarily, but the setting won't actually be saved in your account. That's all you need to do. To quickly recap, click your profile icon, go into Settings, open the Productivity section, toggle on Vacation Mode, and then click Update. Before your trip or break, you can repeat this process to turn Vacation Mode on, and when you're back and ready to track your progress again, just come back to the same place and toggle it off.